now the fun part begins. Yes. Good morning, comrades. Today I'm joined by a man that you've known on my channel for a couple of years by now, and by this car as well. As a reminder, can you open up the bonnet?
Yes.
I think that's very important for people who are new to this channel who just like gonna end up here. Ooh, E36?
Yes.
Nice. S50 or?
S50 B31, most of it is own build.
And it makes lots of brah.
Yes.
That's what it says. Okay, well, let's proceed. What suspension, tires and brakes?
Brakes are original sizes from the E36 M3. Tires are Nankang AR1.
Yeah.
And suspension is a collaboration of H&R and our own settings.
Okay. Ooh, I love your carpets. Pretty cool. Oh yes, of course an E30 with no air conditioning, huh?
A little bit. A little bit.
What's this?
Warm-up
What does that do?
for camera.
Ah! I love the tiger print.
And it's street legal.
Aha!
After they catch me.
Because it's a see-through.
Yeah, the last one was here.
Oh, you have the old school passes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
from
so
better times.
for people who are new to the channel or the Nürburgring culture, these were the JKs, the yearly tickets, so to say. You had a nice bracelet, so you can just rock up to the TF entrance, put your hand out, and done. And now you just have the ticket only. Made me realize how small E30 is. You sit so close to the dashboard and like also close to each other. I was thinking like, are my camera settings wrong? Is it like set up to linear instead of wide angle? No, it's wide angle. It's just, it's tiny. Or should we better say the new cars are just big. This is the way it should be. Okay, today we have the GP layout, or actually the combined layout, so it will be interesting. Kitty.
Yes, yeah, very stupid, but it's Kitty.
Okay. How many laps has she done already?
1500 something like
1500.
Yeah.
Wow, with this car only.
Yeah.
Nice.
But it's a good passenger.
Yeah, very. She's quiet. She's enjoying it. Okay, let's give it some more. Go. Definitely one of the most emotional special laps, and I'm happy that I have finally managed to go on board with Nasy and Kitty after knowing each other for 5 years, knowing the car, seeing the car, featuring in my vlogs, and after 5 years we finally managed to do a lap together. That's pretty cool. So
thank you.
It was absolutely worth it.
What a pleasure to get you with me.
Yeah. No, it's so cool, so emotional. and I mean,
loud.
so loud, but like it should be. And I must say, I love your footwear, Air Max, right?
Yeah.
But it's not the most driving friendly shoe with the
but I
thick
think
sole.
it comes around the next years.
Yeah.
New trend.
It's gonna be next trend, huh? That's so cool, so cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the lap. I definitely have. Give the guy a follow, and he is also our to-go-to guy when we need some stuff in the papers regarding TÜV. So if you have something that needs requirements for the Nürburgring, hit him up. Today I'm joined by a man that you've known on my channel for a couple of years by now, and by this car as well. Pop. What? 3:30.
Good morning! Good morning, comrades!
What time is it in Brazil?
Yes, right.
I should stay in Croatia, honestly.